113/4/27, Saturday, admission experience, right arrow emoji. Tickets purchased on site are 199 yuan/person for adults. It is recommended that you can go to Klukorkte to get a discount of 320 yuan/group for a two-person package. You can buy it and use it immediately, which is very convenient. After purchasing the ticket, present it directly at the entrance to redeem it for admission, and you will also receive a 30 yuan discount coupon, which can only be used in designated stores in the camp area, and each product can only be used for one discount, right arrow emoji. In addition to being able to interact with small animals at close range, the facilities also have some amusement facilities, but they require additional tickets. It depends on the individual to purchase additional tickets. Before entering the animal area, you will watch a video to inform everyone of precautions, and then provide individuals with a handful of grass. After entering the park, you can feed the small animals freely. If you feel that it is not enough, there is another 50 yuan/cup of grass sold in the export area. You can buy it based on your personal needs. The animals in the park include sheep, grass mud horses, capybaras, sika deer, etc. As long as they see grass in your hand, they will swarm towards you. The animals are very docile, so you can take more photos while feeding, but the animals also very realistic. After realizing that you don't want to feed it, it will turn around and look for other people, rolling on the floor laughing emoji, right arrow emoji. There are 2 food stalls in the food park. The 30 yuan discount coupon can be used for snacks, drinks or ice cream. The ice cream is delicious. The price becomes more acceptable after using discount coupons. Original price of drinks is 80 yuan, and ice cream is 100 to 130 yuan. The ice cream may feel a bit expensive, glowing star emoji. Conclusion: after slowly feeding and taking photos, you can stay for about 40 minutes. Thinking that the tickets can be used in the environment of the animals, it actually doesn't feel very expensive. Perfect for children to walk around and jump around. It is a recommended attraction. There are amusement facilities in the park that you can challenge. I came a little late that day, so I didn't buy any. But after entering the park, I saw a lot of people playing. It was very interesting. It seemed that there were 10 levels that you could challenge and you would get a certificate after the completion. I saw many people taking photos. Behind is the zoo area. Before entering, you must disinfect and watch the video before entering. The staff will distribute grass. The little animals inside are very cute, and the park is very clean and there will be no peculiar smell. The staff after a while, I will clean up the fallen grass and animals on the floor. Poop emoji, poop emoji. Although the park is not big, the experience is quite good. There is also a tree climbing performance in the last area. I don't know where the timetable is written, so I just asked the staff. I would like to experience the rides again next time I have the opportunity. As soon as you enter the door, there are many vendors and high-altitude activities. If you have never been to Shiku, you can come here first to test your courage, because this side is relatively low, and Shiku is super high and a lot more exciting. Tickets can be used to offset purchases, but some items cannot be used, such as marshmallows. The food is ridiculously expensive and the portions are too small. Some of the toilets are portable toilets. The high score is for the animals. Although the number of animals is average, there is a rest area for the animals to rest, which is very humane. The CP value is average, but its features include close contact with animals and high-altitude activities. The park is not big and there are no adventure facilities or meals. We only stayed for 1 hour. Upon entry, you will be given a number plate to enter the animal area. You can enter with the number plate. You can only enter once, and you will watch a guided video, plus you will be given 3 or 4 pieces of grass to feed the animals. The animals include capybaras, sheep and kangaroos. Dolphins are relatively gentle and cute, but sheep will be more aggressive and rushing towards them to eat. Parents with children should pay more attention to them. It is a pity that the eating area and small vendors are in an outdoor environment. The weather is hot in summer, so I did not eat in the park. It is recommended that an indoor dining environment can be developed in the future to make it more attractive. Difficult to find this place on Waze and Google Map, but totally glad we made it. Affordable ticket. How the farm is small. Farm and animals very clean and free from urine and poo odor.